You can't afford downtime. A single missed part or a small misstep in the process can throw your entire operation off track. The solution is precision, and it starts with a reliable sensor. So, what is a sensor? A sensor is a device that responds to a physical stimulus, like heat, light, sound, pressure, or motion, and converts it into a signal for measurement or control. In industrial automation, sensors use different technologies to detect objects or materials. At Automation Direct, you'll find limit switches, rugged, mechanical switches that activate when an object makes contact, inductive proximity sensors, non-contact detection of metallic objects, magnetic sensors for position, motion, or direction, capacitive sensors detect solids, liquids, or powders, even through container walls. Ultrasonic sensors use sound waves to detect objects up to 8 meters away. Photoelectric sensors use light with variations like through beam, retroreflective, and diffuse. Not sure where to start? Don't guess. Use our free object detection selector tool to quickly identify the perfect sensor for your application. Stop guessing and start automating. Visit AutomationDirect.com to find the right sensor for your next project.